How to fade in and fade out a video in VN Video Editor app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fade in and fade out a video in VN. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. Go ahead and open up the VN app and select up a new project. After that, you can select up a video from your device that you want to apply the effect to. So once you have selected the video from your timeline available here, let me just play the video. So in order to apply the fade in or fade out effect, in the bottom you'll be finding different options once you've selected it. So go ahead and locate up the option called fade, this one right here, this fade. And once you tap on it, you'll be finding fade in and fade out. So go ahead and locate this option, and once that is done, go ahead and locate fade out as well. After that, tap on right, and once that is done, the effect will be applied to your particular videos. So that is how you apply the fade in and fade out in a VN Video Editor app. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.